Toyota gave us pre-wired aux 1, 2, 3, and 4 switches, but let's be honest, they're boring. So I yanked out aux 2 and dropped in a Sasquatch switch to fire up these massive Auxbeam pobs. And aux 4? Now it's for a proper rear light switch. Once you see this in action, you'll never look at your Tacoma switches the same way again. I actually teased these switches briefly in my 12 must-have mods for the Toyota Tacoma video, but honestly, they deserve their own spotlight, because what these switches do at night are just too good not to show you. These pods are next level, and with a custom Sasquatch switch controlling them, it's pure Tacoma fun. So let's dive into the install. It's quick, it's clean, and it makes your Tacoma interior look like it came that way, from the factory. Except way more fun. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap your boring factory aux buttons for something custom, and trust me, you'll want to. You're going to need a ratchet with an extension, 8mm socket, trim removal toolkit, and I recommend a cold drink. First, I'll pull out the storage gear mounted with the desert system. And I love this, by the way. Be sure to go check out that video. Anyway, we got to remove this so I can get the floor mats out.
So first thing, we're going to pop this up. It should just pop right up, just like the 3rd gen. Easy does it, and there we go.
Next, we want to remove the driver's side kick panel. Just unscrew the retaining clip. Next, remove the kick panel. Then we'll take out the first 8mm screw. Then we'll take out the 8mm screw and pull off the lower dash panel. Next, grab a plastic trim removal tool and carefully pry off the far right dash panel where the switches are located. Now I picked these switches up from ch4before.com, and I'm working on making available soon my own website as well. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. To get them out, you'll need to unplug the switch connectors, remove as many as necessary. Pro tip: snap a picture, label the wires before unplugging them, so you don't mix things up during reassembly. To pop out the switch itself, I used a J-hook tool from my Amazon trim removal kit. Push in one side of the switch, then the other, and it slides right out the front. Installing the new switch is easy. Just press it in until it clicks into place, reconnect your wires, and then reassemble everything in reverse order. So let's recap. Toyota gave us aux 1, 2, 3, and 4 switches, and yeah, they work. But swapping them out for something custom, that's where the fun begins. The Sasquatch switch for my Auxbeam pods is hands down the coolest mod I've done inside the cab. And pairing it with a proper rear light switch makes the truck way more functional at night. If you want to take your Tacoma from boring factory to personalized beast, little upgrades like this are the way to go. And this is just one of many mods I've got lined up. If you're new here and you love Tacoma content, installs, reviews, off-road runs, hit that subscribe button right now. We're building the ultimate Tacoma community, and I want you in it. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next mod. It's even crazier than this one. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.